first impression, not bad. We shall see. This is the dress. This is the box top. Oh, this is the other top. Looks thinner than what I expected it to be. This is another dress. I didn't know it had hands on it. Okay, fine. This is another dress. Judge. It's fine. It's fine. And this is another one. This is the shrug jacket thingy. Let's see. These are the shoes. Looks not bad. Oh my god. These are the shoes. Let's see. Okay. Look. Oh, I thought it would be black, but it's sort of blue. Black, blue. Okay, maybe it's black. 9 items. Yay! This was the first top I got. Actually, it was all over Instagram. I really liked it. Pretty heavily discounted. Really pretty. I like the length of this. You can even wear it like this if you want. But it's so hot. I know. I guess you can wear it at funerals too. It's comfortable and uber chic and stylish to be in. This was to be some everyday wear, ultra light and chic sort of. I don't like that. It's heavily discounted again, but I really do not care for the length. These were supposed to be everyday wear sandals. I liked it. They seemed pretty nice, but in reality they were really thin, and I'm scared about wearing it every single day because I think they will wear out really quickly. Now these guys, I thought they were different. For some reason I did not notice the heels while buying them. Well, on wearing it though, it's not that bad. I actually really like them. And I wore it for a party recently, and I was super casual clothes, and the shoes really made it sort of less casual. Sorry for the grainy footage. This dress was the first thing that I noticed somewhere online also, along with that black one. And I think I did not love it at first, but I bought it because I was intrigued. It seemed interesting, and I like this. The length is perfect. The neck, not that much, but the material is soft, and overall not bad. You can wear it anyway. I paired it here with my ill-fitting shoes. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that before. Oh, this dress I really liked. You can wear it with like belt, like how I did, and you can even pair it with like sneakers, white canvas shoes or something. It's okay. It's not bad. I like it. I wore these sandals. Oh, this is the jacket shrug thingy. To be honest, it was really hot. It was cheap, yes, but it was very hot to be in this. I think it can be worn with like dresses, with shorts, with any of that sort. And if you work in places, or if you go anywhere where there's lots of AC and you're like me, this is really helpful actually. And this jacket, this is since I live in a humid place, this is mostly for style. I think it was a steal to get this. It didn't actually cost 2,250. I got it for 1,500, and then even more discount, so which was much lesser. And I really liked it when I saw it. I couldn't believe I was getting it. I love those pins a lot here. For some reason, I think it doesn't look bad. I think there are several ways you can wear it, and if I go to a colder place for holidays or whatever, I think this will be my choice to take along. This dress I liked, although the material is very thin. Like you really have to wear appropriate clothing inside to wear it, like at least me, to wear it confidently outside. I paired it along with the shark jacket thing, and then I went for a comedy show actually in this, which is really weird. But I wore white canvas shoes instead of the sandals, and yeah, I also wanted to see how it will look in the jacket and if the jacket goes with the dress. I like the jacket. I think the jacket is one of the best deals. I'm really glad I bought it. And look at these lovely pins. It's so cute, okay? I don't care what you say. Best pins ever. Best jacket. I don't know. But I'm happy. Also, the whole thing actually came to more than 6,590. This is with discount, and plus with additional discount came to 4,927. Also, please like and subscribe, please.